So very good morning again to you all. Welcome to you all in Sanjay online classes. So rest of the video, remaining part we are taking in this video. I have taken both the triangles from that first shape in previously. So from that you can see A, B and F, first triangle. We are comparing it to second triangle F and M. Okay, after comparing you know very well first this angle and this angle equal. Both lines are intersecting, so both angles are equal. So these are vertically opposite angles, that's why both are equal. Okay, second one you can see this angle and this angle. In this triangle this angle, and in this triangle this. Name of this F and M and FBA. Okay, so both are equal because both are of 90 degree. From where it is coming? Because you are just seeing this mirror as a curved shape, but we are taking only a small part of this, a little bit part like this type. At that time it will be straight when we will take a little part of that. So at that time both the angle will be of 90 degree. Okay, so next, by AA criterion, I told you that if you want to just get the similarity that both triangles are similar, then you can use A Colari. Okay, Colari rule. So in this you can see I can write now, because both the triangle is got as similar. So now I can write this side ratio this side equal this side ratio this side. This completely, this is object and this is mirror you can say. So from here to here distance is U and this is focal point, so here to here distance is F. So F to this point distance, rest distance from here to here. If this is F, so rest of the piece will be U minus F. Okay, U minus F I have put. And Mn, this Mn is F. Sorry, this Fn. The value of this Fn is F. We have kept here. So this is our first equation. But in this there are little bit change, only this Mn. This Mn will be equal to the object image. Sorry, this is image and this both will be equal, because between the parallel line, this will be parallel when I draw the line from focal point. So between the parallel line both the distance will be equal. So this is, you know very well, this image is A dash B dash. It will be equal to this. So at the place of this Mn I can write A dash B dash here. Here A dash B dash. Okay. Next in that, here you can see both the triangles same double A rule we are using. This angle equal. This is of 90 and this is of 90. Okay. Same thing we are using, double A rule, both are similar. At that time I can write same things, this side ratio this side. Okay, and now this side ratio, first this side and then this side. So F upon V minus F we are getting here, RS upon A dash B dash. At this RS, you know here we have object in front of this RS. So when this ray is striking to this is parallel. So this is parallel, it means that this side and this side will be equal. So at the place of this RS, I can keep here AB. Okay, so RS, this RS I can remove here, I will write AB. Okay, here also AB. Now this is second equation. So in both the equation you can see AB upon A dash B dash, AB upon A dash B dash means LHS is equal. If in both equation LHS is equal, then RHS will be equal to each other. So here you can see from equation first and second, I can write both the RHS as like this way. Now you have to cross multiply like this way. F into F will be F square, and now U minus F and V minus F you have to multiply. So firstly U will be multiplied to V, then after F you will get this. After this F will be multiplied to V and then F. This will be good. Okay, by this F square I can cut F square, because both are positive. When I will transfer this side, then F square minus F square will be 0. Okay, so now these two value I am transferring this side. So both will be positive, because these are negative this side, this will be positive. U is equal to here After dividing UVF, because in all you can see U coming, V coming, F coming, okay, so I can divide it by UVF. When I will divide here UVF, so I can cut U to U, F to F. What will be left? 1 by V, 1 by V. Here UVF you will divide, then F to F cancel, V to V cancel, 1 by U will be left. And here UVF you will divide, then UV cancel, 1 by F will be left. So this is our formula which we have to get. This is of mirror formula. But I want to tell you clearly that this curved part we are just taking only a little part of this, small, very small part of this mirror. At that time this curved part will be straight. That's why I am taking both the angle as 90. This is 90 and this is 90. Because object we have to keep straight, perpendicular. But this is straight or not, for this I want to tell you why it is straight, from where I am taking it. I want to draw the image again. You can see here, this is our curved concave mirror. You can say here our object is straight. From here a line is passing from focal point, okay. The second you are passing through C. So I want to tell you here, this line which I am taking here, this is straight. Why? Because this is not curved. We are taking small part of this mirror. This whose mirror we are not taking big. We are taking a small part of mirror. Okay. That's why it will be straight at that time. It is supposed that it is straight. Okay. So I hope that you have got this. Rest of the thing we will read on tomorrow. Thank you.